A major political crisis appears to be unfolding within the Trinamool Congress, with reports suggesting that a rebel group of party parliamentarians has secured the support of 19 MPs. According to sources, this number constitutes the two-thirds majority of the party's parliamentary strength required to form a separate faction and avoid disqualification under the anti-defection law. The reported rebel camp is being led by senior TMC leader Kakoli Ghosh Dastidar. Sources claim that the group includes several prominent figures including Lok Sabha MP Saayoni Ghosh, actor turned politician Shatrughan Sinha, former Indian cricketer Yusuf Pathan, Jagadish Chandra Basunia, Khalilur Rahman, Abu Tahir Khan, Partha Bhaumik, Bapi Haldar, Mala Roy, Mithali Bag, Deepak Adhikari, Kalipada Soren, June Malia, Arup Chakraborty, Sharmila Sarkar, Asit Kumar Mal, Satabdi Roy and Rachana Banerjee. Saayoni Ghosh has long been regarded as one of the TMC's most prominent young leaders and a vocal supporter of West Bengal former Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. She also emerged as one of the party's key campaigners against the BJP during the assembly elections. According to reports, the development has significantly weakened the TMC's position in the Lok Sabha, reducing Mamata Banerjee's effective parliamentary strength to just 9 MPs and pushing the party into what is being described as one of the most serious internal crises in its 28-year history. Sources further indicate that the dissident MPs have informed Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla of their decision to function as a separate parliamentary bloc under the leadership of Kakoli Ghosh Dastidar. The group is also expected to argue that Dastidar continues to serve as the TMC's chief whip in the Lok Sabha, a claim that could potentially trigger a legal and procedural battle. The rebel MPs have reportedly ruled out an immediate merger with the BJP. Instead, they are said to be planning to function as an independent parliamentary group while extending support to the NDA. The parliamentary revolt comes amid reports of a major split within the West Bengal Assembly as well, where 58 of the TMC's 80 MLAs are said to have broken ranks and backed expelled MLA Ritibrata Banerjee, further deepening the party's internal crisis. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.